In today's video, I'm going to talk about how to build profitable affiliate marketing funnels using Google Ads. I'm going to show you a prime example of a campaign that has just turned profitable, and I'm going to show you how it works and where most people fail with this method. My name is Joey Babino. I've spent millions of dollars on Google Ads alone, in addition to many other platforms over the years as being an affiliate marketer. Today, we're going to dive into Maxweb, which is an affiliate network that has the exact type of offers that are going to work with this strategy. I'm going to show you how it works, the tracking, and how the Google algorithm makes this profitable for us. So this is going to be an exciting video for anybody running Google Ads or looking to get fast traffic to their affiliate campaigns. Let's get started. Okay, let's go into my computer now and let's check this out. So here is Maxweb. This is where we're going to be getting the type of offer that works with this strategy. It's going to be very important that we have a video sales letter for this type of campaign. So basically, Maxweb offers that in many different categories, all of these available for affiliate. And every time you click on one of these categories, you can get a list of a bunch of offers. You can see they have Brain Savior here, one of their top trending offers right now. We're going to be doing something similar to Brain Savior. We're going to be focusing on nerve pain in this example. And if you watched my previous video on landing pages, you might have seen that I found a campaign about nerve pain, and I thought during the last week, hey, that would be a great one we should try, and there we go. That's where we are today. But anyway, you can see here the whole bunch of offers. You can sort them by earnings per click. You can see what are the most popular offers. And most of these have video sales letters along with other resources you can get to promote the offer either through email or other channels. And since we are building an email list today, we will be using those other resources to help guide us in our messaging afterwards to these people that we're collecting emails from. And we can also use ChatGPT, which is AI, and it allows us to create even better emails. So that is what we're going to be doing. So let's look at the Nerve Savior campaign that I'm running right now. Let's go to my dashboard. And here we are in the dashboard. And you can see here that I've sent roughly 434 visitors with 9 conversions for commissions of $900 and an earnings per click of $2.07. Now, what I should say is about 80 to 100 of these clicks are not from the campaign we're talking about today. So in fact, the campaign itself is doing extremely well. So the earnings per click is probably above $2.50 to $3 earnings per click on this particular campaign. We have 900 in commissions, and I'm going to show you how it works. So basically, the first step is creating a squeeze page. You might have heard of squeeze pages before. They are pages that allow you to collect emails. And basically, what I use is OptimizePress. I use this with WordPress. You can create a domain name, anything related to your niche. If you're doing a diet product, create a diet domain name, and then come in and create a website. I use WordPress, like I said. And I also use the OptimizePress plugin, which allows me to connect it to my email automation service. In this case, we're using Aweber, and I can create a new page. And basically, they have a whole bunch of templates. I'm not going to go through how to set up your squeeze page, but they have a whole bunch of templates here that you can create these squeeze pages. And basically, you can start creating something that makes people want to enter their email. And the trick here is to say you're giving them a free video. Okay, that is why we need a video sales letter from Maxweb, because now we can go in and offer people a free video on how to solve their problem. We need to do that so that people enter their email, and when they enter their email, they are sent directly to the video sales letter. That is the trick here. That is the funnel, and it is exceptionally well, especially if you have the right keyword strategy and all of your Google ads are working well for you. All of that described in our course down below, the 30-day challenge. It's a Google course. You can see exactly how we create campaigns that are compliant for Google ads as affiliates. So here's all the squeeze pages. Like I said, I'm not going to get into it. But if you want to do this strategy, you would go to OptimizePress and watch their videos on how to set these up quickly, integrate it with your Aweber or any other email platform, and now you've got a squeeze page. So once the squeeze page has been completed, you need to have an affiliate tracking platform. I use CPV Lab Pro because it makes it very easy to set up landing page sequence campaigns. That's the name of this. It is a landing page sequence. People come from my ad, they hit my landing page, they enter their email, they go to the video sales letter from Maxweb. That is the strategy, and in order to do it properly, you need to be able to track it properly so you can track the actual amount of people subscribing to this page. So you can see here that I've been running this on Google in a few different countries. I'm not going to give everything away here, but I'm going to show you that it is working, and this strategy works for affiliates. And this is just today's stats. So far I made $200 with 170 visitors, and you can see here that I have 19 emails I collected today, which isn't really great. I need to work on this campaign. It's only been 30 days and I've only spent a little bit of money. So really this is just the start of the campaign, but you can see that it is starting to work and it is becoming profitable. And I'm going to show you inside Google Ads here in a minute how the algorithm has completely helped me get profitable as we continue to get more data. This is just a day's data, so keep that in mind. I'm going to show you the rest here in a minute. But you can see here I'm testing 3 squeeze pages. Okay, so if I switch to a monthly stats here, we can see for the last 30 days, about 1,700 visitors with 9 conversions. So basically, we have now the data to tell us, do we have a good squeeze page? And so far, test B against the control page is starting to look a little better. It's got a higher subscriber rate, and it also has a better conversion rate, but there's not enough data here yet to really make a decision. But what I could do is remove test A and go A, B, 50-50 with control and B. And we will go 50-50, and we can do that using CPV Lab Pro. There is a promotional discount link down below in the description if you want to use CPV Lab Pro. They also have a hosted version now as well. So you can see here, 9 conversions have been reported into my CPV Lab Pro, but when we go to Google Ads, they only caught 8, which is fine. Sometimes there's a little discrepancy in Google Ads, but that's all right. We've got 8 conversions here showing up. Now, this is for the last 30 days, okay? Now, keep in mind, these are Canadian figures for my cost per conversion. Over the last 30 days was $173, and now you're thinking, hey, Joey, man, that's not even profitable, bro. But hold on. When you start campaigns on Google Ads, the algorithm doesn't know what it's doing, okay? It's trying to find people that are going to convert. And we have a full thread inside the Powerhouse Affiliate Forum right here of one of our members who did a $750 a day spend, goes all into how the Google search algorithm works when you're bidding for target CPA. And over the course of this case study, I recommend you come read it. He shows how he spent a whole bunch of money at first, and then all of a sudden, the cost per conversion keeps going down. Okay, that is what Google does, and that is why we want to use the target CPA conversion or target CPA bidding strategy, all described in that 30-day challenge course down in the description. But you can see here, as soon as I switch this to a 7-day, that cost per conversion goes down to $109 Canadian. Remember, I'm getting $100 US, which is 100 USD to Canadian. I'm actually making roughly 131 Canadian dollars per conversion, and currently I'm only paying 109. But keep in mind, I'm also building an email list. So I'm earning money on the front end, building an email list in the nerve pain niche, or pain management overall can be promoted to my email list. I can start building that email list in the pain management niche while sending them to a blog later on with some content and start monetizing it that way with AdSense. But you can see here that it is currently profitable thanks to the Google algorithm. Now, of course, there is not enough data yet to really fully engage on this, but here's a good sign, and this is something I really like. Limited by budget. That is awesome. I love seeing that when I start seeing profits, because really, I'm only set at $100 a day here. Depending on how fast you want to get data, you could jack your budget up and you know that there's still traffic available. So if I crank this to $200 a day, $300, $500, $1,000 a day, we're going to see when that limited by budget number goes down. So there is a lot of traffic, and because I'm running in multiple countries, there's a lot of potential for scale. So when I click on limited by budget, you can see here it's asking me to go up to $230 a day or $190. Then I would let it run a little bit before I keep jacking the budget. Okay, there's a strategy here. You want to make sure you don't shock the Google algorithm by going way too high, and then it's just going to spend all your money. You want to slowly increment your budget so that the algorithm can still keep you with those people that it knows will convert. And that is the strategy here. And as you're doing that, you're also optimizing on your side, your squeeze pages and your ads. At the same time, your keywords. We're looking for keywords that are showing potential and which ones are converting. Also, you're going to be optimizing on your devices, your countries, your locations. All of these things need to be considered to make this even more profitable so that you can scale it to the moon and build a massive email list. So here's a summary. Go to Maxweb, find some great video sales letter offers in any niche. There are a ton of them available. Do your keyword research, create a squeeze page. I would create at least 3 squeeze pages. I use WordPress and OptimizePress. Once you have that done, implement your tracking from your tracking system. There are multiple tracking systems available. All of them should have the capability to track how many subscribers you're getting. And I haven't even talked about how to monetize your email list, but we'll cover that in another video. And after you've got your squeeze page set up with tracking, go over and set up your Google ads and make sure your pages are compliant. If you are not sure if your content is compliant, check out the course in the description. It is very detailed on how to make your website compliant before you start running Google ads. Hopefully this has been very informative to you, and you can see the potential of earning money simply by creating squeeze pages and building an email list at the same time monetizing in the back end with affiliate offers. If you have any questions, post them in the comments below or come into the forum at Powerhouse Affiliate. We talk about this stuff every single day. Hopefully that was helpful, and we'll see you in the next video.